Akkermans here, Supply Chain Dynamics, Chapter 4, Sysdea Gameplay 9, Strategic Improvements. In a capital-intensive industry such as the semiconductors world, there is nothing more strategic than changing capacity. And that's also an option. So normally, building new capacity, especially the first stage of the process, the wafer fabs, is extremely costly, complex, and time-consuming. In this model, we've set this at 3 years, or at least at a capacity acquisition delay of 3 years, and that is not so strange at all. But what if we would make that shorter? Would that be a way to sooner adjust to the huge increase in demand? Oh, of course, we can see that. There's a capacity acquisition delay slider. It's now set at 3 years. What if we make that 24 months or 2 years? What do you get then? Well, you do see that the work in process is worked down sooner because there's more capacity online sooner. It's not a huge lot, but it's precisely what we need up here. Especially the finished products go down spectacularly. That's quite nice indeed. In reality, this would not be all that easy to do, but nevertheless, it's worth looking at what it would be worth. What if we could do capacity acquisition up and down within a year? Well, as you see, that would have been even better in terms of capacity, because capacity is higher much sooner, but actually is also lowered sooner. But you also see in here what we've had before, shortening the delays here makes the oscillation greater. So we have more nervousness in the system. Also up here in the work in progress, we have now at least 2 cycles heading up. So yes, this would be good in terms of dealing with the increase in demand, but it would also make the system more nervous. And without changed processes of acquiring and shedding capacity, it will be very costly indeed. There are some companies that have taken steps towards this. Intel is known for having fully ready buildings for wafer fabs, standing by idle for the next market upturn, only to get the machines, which are the most costly ones, in there. The building process is often 2 years. Getting the machines in there is often within a year. Or the times have to be really special, such as with ASML in the next chapter 5.